Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of From My Listening Chair. This is going to be a review on this audio selector, four input, one input, four output. This is something I decided to pick up because I was using a mixer for my two turntables, and everything else was going through the EQ. So what I decided to do is actually have everything go through this thing, a actual switcher, to delete the equalizer altogether, because the mixer, because the mixer actually had its own volume control, and just too many volume controls involved in the setup. So to delete that, I went straight to a selector, and I got this off of eBay. Excuse me, not eBay, Amazon. But it looks like it actually suits the purpose. Like I said here, it's a one input, four output. So let's just open this up and see what's up. Let's see here. There we go. It's nice and compact in there. All right. Let's get this thing out here. All right. The box there. It feels like it's cold. It's metal construction. So let's open this up. Is it like dust, or what is that? Is that the finish? Yeah, it looks like it's got some powdery residue there. But it looks like this is it. Looks like I have it upside down. All right, so that was the bottom of it, but it's still dusty on the top here. Okay. It's the audio switch AUX or AUX401, as we can see there. Very simple. It's all mechanical. So these selectors, looks like you just click and it knocks out the other one. Yeah, pretty simple there. And here are the hookups. So we got the audio out right there. And here's the 1, 2, 3, 4 in here, 2 and 2. So what this is going to end up being is going to be one turntable, the second turntable, a CD player, and the cassette deck off of the switcher. So it looks like, is that a 3.5 millimeter connection? It looks like it is, but let's see if there's anything in the instruction manual here about it. No, there's no instruction manual. So that's about it. It's like simple. Maybe the box has some kind of direction here. So yes, it is a 3.5 millimeter in. So that's simple as that, guys. I'm going to hook this up to the system and see what it looks like, make sure it works, and tell you what I think about it in a second. All right? Actually, there's no feet on this either, so maybe I'll put some rubber feet on here or something. I don't know. Depends how it fits. We'll see. We'll take a look at it. If it goes into focus ever. Come on, focus up. Focus up. There it goes. All right. All right. Thanks. Well, guys, after the installation here of the AUX 401, it did the job. Now, as I mentioned before, I wanted to install my two turntables, my CD player, and my tape deck, which is down there, to the actual switcher. But the problem is that there's 4 outs, and if I include the streamer, which I totally forgot about, that's 5. So what I decided to do is actually just do what the whole purpose of getting this switcher was, which was replacing the mixer from the two turntables because of the volume control. And I decided to go ahead and just use this as a turntable switcher. So turntable 1, turntable 2, and I can switch back and forth between those two turntables just by switching from 1 and 2. Now, if I wanted to integrate 2 more turntables to the system, I actually could, which is something that I've thought about. I do have 2 additional turntables that I'm currently just sitting on that I might just want to integrate to the system just to, test out different cartridges or preamps or whatever it may be. So that's one of the options too. But the fact that the switcher is integrated into the system is great. Now, one thing that I wanted to go ahead and do is add feet to the bottom of that thing, because there's no way you can push the button without having it slide back as it stands. So it does take a little bit of force to push those buttons because they are mechanical. So what I'm going to do is put some feet down there, and hopefully that does help with that situation. So that's about it, guys. Very simple to do. It does the job. It doesn't require any power itself because it is mechanical. It just, one circuit cuts, one circuit is engaged, and that's the way it works. Very simple. Does not affect sound at all, and it allowed me to delete the mixer, which was something that had to be plugged in and did have a volume control and different other things that could color the sound, and I didn't want to do that. So that's about it, guys. I like it. It's working out so far, and we'll see how long I have it in the system. But wanted to share that information with you guys. And till next time, guys, from my listening chair.